I'm sure you've heard the news. Space sneezes are a thing, and they're out of this world. Picture this, you're floating in a spaceship, minding your own business, and then, achoo! Suddenly you're doing the moonwalk, backwards. In microgravity, even a tiny sneeze can send you sailing across the cabin like a human cannonball. Talk about a sneeze attack. Just imagine the headlines, astronaut propelled by sneeze, new space sport invented. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember in space it's not just a sneeze, it's a journey. Keep floating and stay sneezy, my friends.